Cupcake! What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are in hot, humid Dallas, Texas. It is very hot today, it's very humid, and we are about an hour away from the Texas Motorplex, so it's actually Thursday. The weather is supposed to not be that great this weekend, so reached out to TJ Bailey, T&E Promotions, Medusa Twin Turbo on YouTube, to see if they could do a rental on a Thursday, and enough people were interested, so myself and Bo, TJ Motorsports, huge thanks to Trey, we are headed over to the Motorplex, do some private rental testing for this weekend, which is Streetcar Takeover. But essentially what I did was move all my work from Thursday to Friday so that I could take off on Thursday instead of Friday, and we'll go test here tonight, hopefully get some good data on the car, hopefully it holds more boost, and then that way we'll be set up for Saturday, Streetcar Takeover OKC, which the weather's starting to look a little bit better, but I didn't want to chance it, and I really need some test passes on the car after we fix all the issues. So look who has joined us today, Chase Steelman back in the building. Hello, Chase. Huh. So Chase rode along with me because it's a Thursday, and Kennedy has to work today, so Chase was able to get off. He's going to help me film, help me get the car ready in between passes, and should be a good time. Hopefully it's going to cool off here in a little bit, but the rental's from 5 to 10. We're going to show up right at like, hey, quit throwing ice, don't waste it, we need it. The rental starts like right at 5, so hopefully we'll get there around 5:15, 5:30, get a pass in early, get the car cooled off, get some good data on it, and get some more passes, because we've got to head back to Amarillo tonight, so it's going to be a late night, and yeah, we'll see you guys at the Motorplex. Cupcake has made it to the Motorplex. So it is once again super windy out here, but they moved the track rental back to like 6, so we're just letting the car, about to get it ready. I'm about to load the tune-up. I'm gonna put a little bit softer tune-up to begin. Dude, street car right there. That guy drove his car, hell yeah. So we're gonna put a little softer tune-up in it for the first hit, see how the track holds up, and we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, so first pass did not go so well. I don't know what happened, but when I went into second, I felt like the car just died. So we're icing it down. The log looked good. I don't know what's going on, but we checked a few things, seems fine. So we're pretty much gonna make another pass and get some better data on it, and see if we can get a good log on it. So we'll see here in a second. still sticky,
and he's still fucking
Here's
almost like, alright, fuck
Gabe,
it.
you gonna be at SCT?
Here's the.
Are you gonna be at SCT?
Are you gonna
be at SCT?
Are you gonna run?
Yeah, I'm gonna smoke test it tomorrow, and it'll tell us where the leak is, and then depending on where the leak is.
What? Oh, is that where you like feed?
Yeah.
You have Chase take a hit on his vape.
Oh, don't stop recording. Stop. Yeah, I don't even want
We'll
to.
put a cover on the turbo,
did you get her
put
bed
15 pounds or 20 pounds on it, and then run some smoke over it.
Got it. Cool.
Did you get her bed?
Oh yeah,
Chased it.
that works.
Oh,
Oh,
Okay, let's get some light on the trailer. Let's load up.
Yep.
that was
Trey, what do you think, man?
we could have done better.
That's right. Exactly. That's how you describe the whole night.
better. We can do better.
All right, guys. So, didn't close out the last video. We're actually in Oklahoma right now. We are at Streetcar Takeover, which you guys will see all the updates on that in the next video. Don't want to really talk about that, but we're in the hotel right now, so I want to close out the last video. See, editing it right now. We still have some boost issues. So prior to going to the Motorplex, had the private rental on Thursday. The reason why I went on Thursday is because we had Streetcar Takeover today, which is Saturday, and I knew that the testing was going to get canceled on Friday because the rain chances were really high. So my options were either to chance it, see if it was going to rain Friday in Oklahoma for testing, or even Friday in Dallas for testing. And it ended up working out going on a Thursday because both Oklahoma and Dallas got canceled for Friday testing. So TJ brought up testing on Thursday, so we ended up testing on Thursday. I moved all my clients from Thursday to Friday, the ones that were in the afternoon. So I got home at 4:40 a.m. Friday morning and had to go straight to work at 5:30 a.m. Took the truck and trailer into the parking lot with the car still on it, everything loaded up. But anyways, I thought I had fixed the boost issues by fixing the wastegate and tightening down all the clamps, going over everything, the hot side, the cold side, making sure everything was good, and still ran into boost issues later that night. Actually, the first pass, the transmission fluid level was a little too low, and I didn't know it at first, but the car was like, it just felt like it fell on its face, and the fluid was too low, so the car was just kind of losing power. Probably lucky I didn't burn up the transmission. I've been really hard on this Turbo 400, and it's taken a damn beating, but filled that up. That issue was fixed, and then so we started trying to ramp in the boost again, and once again the car would only see 19 to 20 pounds of boost up top. I put the new wastegate in, checked for leaks. I haven't smoke tested it yet. I keep saying I'm going to smoke test it, and I haven't smoke tested yet. I don't have a smoke tester. I don't really know someone that has one, so I need to order one or make one, something. So, because I need to get that done, because we're currently at Streetcar Takeover, and I'll probably talk about it in another video, but there's some other things I've tried, and we may have fixed them. I don't know for sure, but we'll find out soon. You'll find out soon in the upcoming videos. But yeah, I went to a private rental Thursday. Was really excited because I got the wastegate changed out. Thought I fixed the issue, and I did not fix the issue. So we still have yet to go 7s. We're still stuck in the 8s, and yeah, this is just part of it though. You got to go test. You got to fix stuff. You got to test, and I really just need a smoke tester, right, Ken Dog? Yeah. So huge thanks to Joe helping me out. We've been trying to figure out this issue. Huge thanks to TG Motorsports coming out, private rental. And huge thanks to Lund Racing, Lund Jr. again. He is probably annoyed of me at this point because we've been trying to figure out this boost issue. But that's just part of racing. That's part of trying to go fast. And if you want to stay slow, well, stay slow. And we're going to try and go faster. So we're going to keep testing. We're going to try and figure out the car. Hopefully this weekend at Streetcar Takeover, we will have figured out the boost issue. If not, we will move on to further diagnosis. But probably by the time you see this video, we have figured it out, hopefully. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the racing content. And you'll see some videos here coming up soon from Streetcar Takeover, Oklahoma City, which is always a good time. Huge thanks to guys over at Streetcar Takeover for putting it on. It's always a fun event. So, like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you guys
on the next one.